Hello, and welcome to BMC CMDB video series. In this video, I'll show you how to create a CI in the production dataset for an existing service model. Add a relationship to the CI and promote the CI to your production environment. I'll also show you how to edit existing CI information, compare CI information, and delete a CI that you no longer need. Let us see how Calbro IT does this in their CMDB. The Calbro IT offers email service as one of their service offerings, which currently includes only a gold service offering. They have recently added a silver service offering and need to include this service configuration item in their service model in CMDB. Most configuration items, or CIs, are created by discovery applications, such as BMC Discovery and Dependency Mapping. However, you can use BMC CMDB Explorer to create CIs manually when you do not want to wait until the next scheduled discovery process to include that CI in CMDB. Let me show you how this can be done. But before that, ensure that you log into mid-tier and configure the default web path of the server so that the CI attributes form opens in mid-tier. When you log into CMDB, you first see the search widget at the top. Search for a dataset and a class in which you want to create the new CI. I am searching for Calbro Business Service class in BMC Asset Dataset, which is the production dataset. From the search results, select the CI that you want to view in the CMDB Explorer. You are now on the CMDB Explorer canvas, from where you will create the CI. This is a view-only mode of the production dataset, and you cannot create a CI or edit a CI here. You can make changes only in the Sandbox dataset. To switch to the Sandbox dataset, switch this toggle button to Edit mode. You can now see the Sandbox dataset. We want to add a new email service offering to this CI. Start by selecting the CI class. You can see all the classes displayed here. In this case, I will select the service offering CI. Select the CI class, drag and drop it into the Explorer canvas. In this dialog box, edit the details of the CI as required. And save the changes. Now that the CI is created, I will add a relationship to this CI. For this, click this icon. You can see a blue circle around the CI and a line. Now, move the mouse to the destination CI for creating a relationship. The Select Relationship dialog box opens. Select a relationship. Only the relevant relationships are displayed in the drop-down list. Specify a name and description for the relationship, and save the details. We have created a CI and a relationship. Next, I will promote the CI and its relationship from the Sandbox to the production dataset. Click Review Sandbox. Review the promotion details, and click Promote. The CI is promoted to the production dataset. I would like to make changes to some of the CI attributes. For this, I must edit the CI. Open the CI in CMDB Explorer. Switch the toggle button to Edit mode. Right-click the CI, and click Edit Instance. Make the required modifications here. Click Save, and then, Close, to save the changes. Before promoting the changes to production, I would like to view the changes that I made to the CI attributes. For this, I will click Show CI Details from here, or right-click the CI, and select Show CI Details. The CI attribute values in the Sandbox dataset and Asset dataset are displayed here. In this way, I can compare the CI attribute values. You can see the attributes whose values have changed or are newly added. I will now promote the CI changes to the production dataset. I will now edit the CI relationship. Open the CI in CMDB Explorer. Switch the toggle button to Edit mode. Right-click the CI relationship, and click Edit Relationship. Make the required modifications here. Click Save, and then, close to save the changes. I will now promote the changes to the production dataset. I will move on to show you the next action that you can perform on a CI. Calbro IT has a service offering that is no longer in use and needs to be deleted from the service model. I'll show you how this can be done. Search for the CI and open it in the CMDB Explorer. Switch the toggle button to edit mode. Right-click the CI icon, and then click Mark as Delete. The CI has a cross sign next to it. CIs that are marked as delete can be excluded from searches, reconciliation, and other activities. Now, promote this change to the BMC asset dataset. For more information, see the BMC online documentation portal. I hope this demonstration was useful. Thank you for watching this video.